Have you ever go over to Google Play Store or Apple Store and you want to download an app, and just clicking on that app and scrolling down, you see comments of people that have actually used this app below it. These comments are known as review, and you can actually do these reviews and make money online. And this is what this video is all about. Hi everyone, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela, and on this channel I share important and legit ways to make money online. And in this video I have come up with an interesting site by the name Capterra, in which you can actually use to make your review on apps and sites that you have actually worked with, and you make money online. Sometimes when you go over to Google Play Store or Apple Store and you click on an app and you want to download that particular app, just scrolling down, you see comments of people concerning this site. These comments are known as reviews. So you can also make your own reviews on different apps, on different sites that you have actually worked with, and you make money online. So Capterra is actually a site in which you can make money online by giving your review on different apps, on different sites that you have actually used. These reviews go ahead to help the developers of this app to either improve in one way or the other. So in giving your own review concerning this app, is good to also give the negative and the positive, because the negative will help the app developer to actually improve on them. So I'm just going to go over to my screen and to walk you through the sign up process and how you can actually make your own review on different apps that you have ever come across or that you have ever used. You may actually wonder the type of apps that you need to be giving review. There are thousands and millions of different apps that you can actually make a review on this site known as Capterra. I have seen many apps that I've actually used myself, in which I'm equally going to show you the different apps that I have actually used before, and some of these apps are apps that I've used for years, in which I'm going to be making a review of all these sites. I've seen apps such as Microsoft Outlook, Capterra, Payoneer, Google Forms, Duolingo, Capterra, Payoneer, and just to name a few. There are many of the apps that you see in this particular site that you have actually used before. So each and every review that you make on this site, you will make above $10. So you just need to make sure that the app that you want to give a review on is an app that you have actually used and you have mastered. So I'm just going to go ahead to share my screen with you, show you the sign up process on how to sign up with Capterra, and you begin to make your review on the different apps and sites that you have actually used and make money online. And before I share my screen with you, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so by clicking on that red subscribe button below this video. Equally turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video on this channel, you will get a notification. There are guidelines that you need to follow before your reviews will be accepted on this site. So I'm going to leave the guidelines on this video's description so that you check them out before you start reviewing apps on Capterra. As you can see on your screen here, this is Capterra. They say Capterra helping businesses choose better software since 1999. So this site has been in existence since 1999. As you can see, they say compare software and service providers and read verified reviews. As you can see right here, software categories, service categories, and all the like. Write a review. So we are interested in writing a review. For example, if I click on write a review, and all you need to do is to scroll down. When I scroll down here, as you can see, these are the different apps. This is Google Forms, this is Google Teams, and all the like. So I'm just going to be scrolling down. This Canvas, these are different apps, as you can see right here. I'm just going to take some time to go through the apps. This is Adobe Acrobat. I'm just going to take some time to scroll down this side. This is Microsoft Outlook. If you have ever worked with Microsoft Outlook, you can go ahead and click on it and make a review. So there are thousands and thousands and millions of different apps that you can go ahead and make a review. So I'm just going to take some time to scroll down the screen and make a review of these apps. This is Amazon Web Services. I have actually worked with these. So I'm just going to scroll down. This is WooCommerce. This is Snapchat, guys. For those of you that has been working with Snapchat, you can click on it and make your review. Then you click more. When you click on more and more apps are going to open up for you to see. This is Duolingo here. I'm equally going to make a review of Duolingo. So I'm just going to take my time and go through some of the apps that I have ever worked with that are on this side. I have equally seen Google Voice. This is Payoneer. I'm equally going to make a review of Payoneer because, and this is Capterra, which I'll be using in this video to review, guys. So let me just go ahead and sign up for an account. Click on who we are. You can go on the about section and you read what the site is all about, and they have more than 2 million reviews. So I'll just click on sign up. You can sign up with LinkedIn or with Google. If you have a LinkedIn account, you can just go ahead. Make sure you enter all the necessary informations, including yourself, here on this section before you proceed to make any review. So I'm just click on write a review. When you click on write a review now, it will take you to the section where you have the different apps which you need to review. And let me review Capterra. This is Capterra right here. So all I need to do is to go over, enter my names, my email address, my job function, my job title, and all the like. After I'm done, it will take me to this review section where I have to review. Like here they say, what is the overall quality, ease of use. So as you can see, these are my reviews concerning the Capterra that I'm rating. So I'm just going to go ahead to do the rating. They say features and functionality, customer support, and all the like. Then I'm just going to rate by entering some comments. They talk about the video capture. What can I say about video capture? So I'm just going to enter my review based on how I have used this app and how the app is really vital and information. As you can see the different ratings that I have rated this app. So they say, how does the pricing for Capterra compare to similar? So I'm just going to rate this. Then how will you recommend it to a friend or to a colleague? 10 on 10 because it's a good app. I've actually used this app for many years now. Then after you are done, you click on next. They say, thank you for submitting your review. Thank you for submitting your review. So they say what to expect next. Number one, review assessment. Our team will review and the various check, and then they will review and publish it. After they publish it, now you get a gift card notification of $10. So as you can see, this is how to rate. They say write an additional review to earn $10. So each and every review that you make on this site, you make $10. And they say only published reviews are eligible to earn incentives.